Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to hide account balance on Access Bank mobile app. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Access Bank mobile application, which of course I've done right here. The next thing is, where exactly can you find Access Bank? Now, you can find it on Google Play Store or Apple Store. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Access Bank mobile app and follow through with the on-screen instructions to install. After installing the application, it's going to take you right into the sign up page where you're going to be prompted to either log in using an existing Access Bank credentials or to register by opening a new account. Whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into the Access Bank homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Access Bank. Now, once you get in there, this is what you can do to hide your account balance on Access Bank. So from the home page, head over to the menu icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Click on menu, and once you click on menu, check the top of the menu screen. You're going to see the account balance showing up right there. So right next to the account balance, you're going to see an option that says hide balance. So click on hide balance. Once you click on hide balance, that's going to be it. It's going to be hidden from there. So that's one of the ways that you can use to hide the balance. So I'm going to show you the second way that you can use to hide balance. From the home page, go back to your home page for the Access Bank mobile app. The home page, bottom right corner, you're going to see the profile icon. Select the profile icon, and once you click on the profile icon, it's going to take you right into the profile window. So right there right there on the screen, that's the profile screen. You're going to see an option that says hide account balance, and you're going to see a toggle right next to it. So if it is off, toggle it off. And once you toggle it off, that's going to be it. Your account balance is going to be hidden. Okay, it is hide account balance. So toggle it on and your balance is going to be hidden. If you toggle it off, it means it's going to be exposed. So toggle it on and go back to your menu window. You will see that your account balance will be hidden. That's pretty much it. So you can use menu or you can use profile. Any one of them, that's it. Use the profile, head over to hide account balance and toggle it on, and your account balance is going to be hidden. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.